people asking questions to the people with the answers. The people with the answers are the people with the questions. So the people with the questions ask the people with the answers. The people with the answers won't tell the people with the questions the answer. So the people with the questions, they ask the people with the answers, but the people with the answers won't speak to them. Because the people with the answers deem the people with the questions just a little bit too hoity-toity to speak to. I'm a man that likes to be alone. I'm a man that likes to think alone. I don't have too many answers, but I got a whole heap of questions. I got a whole